over here because my air hose reaches real nicely through the door. It looks like all the tires are good on there though, except for that one back one maybe. I don't know. I gotta go grab the truck. I gotta bring that over here. I gotta grab the grinder, PVC, the fittings. I might need to grab some yellow tape, caution tape, in case I gotta caution tape something off. Hard to drive with one hand. I picked that up the other day. Oh, I gotta get back over here. I'm gonna have to leave the 2 ducks with these guys. I'll probably just throw them in the pen and shut the door for the day. They're gonna be mad. I need to get a couple Q-tips over here too so I can mate my flowers here. Oh, we got some stuff coming up in here. I forget what everything is, but I gotta water. Should water this real quick. All these things are doing good because they got a top, you know. I'll put this on here and see how that works for a little while. Well, I got a lot of stuff coming up in there. Nothing here yet though, damn it. It really sucks. I think them inchworms killed everything. Wonder if these guys we pulled up started coming back to life. Oh yeah, a little bit. That one and this one. This one might be too far gone. We'll see. The stem's stiff though, so we'll see, guys. We'll see. I need the bees to come in here and do their job. We got some peppers going. Couple little peppers. This guy's healthy. This guy not so much. Too deep? No? Oh, look at skin fell off. Oh boy. We'll see. These guys got some fruits going on them. Big squash, it's getting crushed in there. It's gonna be stubby. I wanted to transplant this guy the other day, but I never did. This guy. Holy smokes, bud. Tell me about it. We got a bunch of carrots in there that I didn't weed. Everything over here seems to be doing all right. We got to get it training up this. I got to get it going up here. Ooh, it went through there. We got to get this guy going up here too. Eventually, that guy. These guys. Holy smokes, they're going. But see, it's not, beans and squash don't really like each other, I hear. I don't know a lot about it. I know a little. I know enough to get something out of it, but they're going. Onions are just easy to grow. These giant sunflowers, I don't think they like it around here either. Look at that's turning yellow. I wonder if it's because of that sunflower. The beans are going up and away. Keep training them, keep training them. Get over here, buddy. What, guys? You need some food? You need some food? Somebody got your food the other day, didn't they? Oh, again, too. I got a raccoon over here or something, guys, because them lids are hard to get off of there. God damn it. Well, son of a bitch. I have to get out here again and get that trap full so we can catch whoever's wrecking the feed box. Tuck, 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 tuck. Well, we ain't lost anybody yet though, so I wonder if all the baby raccoons found us. Hi, ducks. Hi, guys. Hi, Fluffhead. What are you doing in there, guys? Huh? Hi, guys. Do we got everybody? I can't even count you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we got everybody. Huh. All right, I gotta get this done. We'll talk to you afterwards.